Hello friends, welcome to the Magical Literature. You are watching a stream series for beginners. In previous video, we have seen how to use a table tag and how to style it, the table tag and the heading tag and the data tag. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to see the list tag and unordered list and ordered list tag. Okay, so without wasting your time, open your Sublime Text. Here it is. So I'm maximizing it. Okay, so make a new file. Okay, this is a new file and save it as a control plus S. Now I am giving a name it as a list.html. Now save it. Now open bracket and write HTML and hit enter. So give title. I'm giving it as a list. It's a list. Okay. So in body tag, first I will show you what is the list tag. Okay. So open bracket li. So list tag is defined by li. Okay. So hit enter and copy it and again paste. So in list give it as a computer. 1 minute. Computer CPU then RAM. Okay, now save it. Then open your browser, open your file with the browser in the browser. Okay, so now you can see there the list is made, which is the name is computer and CPU and RAM. Okay, so now I'm using so first write ul. So the unordered list is defined by ul tag. Now close it and close and save it and open your browser and refresh your page. Okay, now you can see this that some space is made from the left and from the top one. Okay, so and a dot is came here, so it is a unordered list. Okay, now we can also style it. I will show you how to style it. So in ul tag write a style equal to double question and list style type. So to give a style to the computer this li tag, this is the method. Okay, so I'm giving a square square. Okay, okay, now save it and open your browser and refresh this page. So you can see, 1 minute, I'm zooming. So you can see the square has came here. Okay, now let's give it is a circle and save it. Open your tab, refresh your page. So you can see this is a circle. Okay, now there are various one. Okay, circle and this and square, you can try it. Okay, so this is a unordered list. Now we are going to see what is a ordered list. So ordered list is defined by ol tag. In ol tag write a li tag li and copy it and paste it. Control plus C copy and control plus V paste, control plus V paste. Okay, now save it. Then in this one we are again, you can write computer CPU RAM. Okay, computer then CPU and then RAM. Now to see the result, save it and open your browser and refresh the page. Now you can see this the computer CPU RAM, the list is come in a numbering pattern. So 1 2 3. So this is a ordered list. Okay, this is an unordered list and this is an ordered list. So you can make change for this one, which is 1 and 2 and 3. This is a numeric order. Okay, 1 2 3. You can also make it as an alphabetic order or any order. Okay, so I will show you. So in ol tag make some changes. So give a style to it. No style, this is a type. Okay, so type equal to double question and in this type, which type, suppose you have to write in a alphabetic order and the alphabet should be small, so write any word, any keyword. So alphabet. Okay, I'm giving it as a C. Okay, small c and save it. Then open your browser to see the result, it is working or not, and then refresh page. No, it is not working. 1 minute. So friends, we are getting the error because of this C, the type C. We cannot give any alphabet, so sorry for that one. So give a small a. Okay, now save it and open your browser, Alt plus tab. Now you can see the changes 1 2 3 8. Yes, it is becomes ABC. Okay, now to make a letter a bigger one. Okay, so how to give it is as so capital one A, capital A. Now save it and see the changes. Okay, so yes, this becomes our capital ABC. Okay, so now I will show you one more order. Okay, so remove this A and write a small I. Okay, and save it. Then open your browser and okay, now you can see this another order. Okay, I and double I and triple I, whatever you want to say, 1 2 3. Okay, so unordered list and ordered list are used full many there are many uses of these tags. Okay, so go through it and practice well. And thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update and hit the like button. Okay, thanks.